Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, April the 20th. Markets did march, but finished mixed yesterday. Got a little bit tired in tech. The S&P was up 7 points, up about 0.25%, making the highest level since December. Dow futures pressing on 18,000. 17,961 was the close, also positive on the session there, up 4% year to date. And the NASDAQ backed off a little bit, down 0.5% yesterday. Been trading between 4,400 and 4,500. Now we're back above 4,500, so that should be a support point to keep an eye on. The big mover yesterday was the dollar, once again to the downside, down 0.5%, below 94, giving the euro currency a boost up to 114. That pushed crude oil higher. 42.50 was the price, the finish there yesterday, up $1.30, which was a 3% gain. The session high is 42.90. Now that we've switched over to the June contract, something to keep an eye on, we're pressing the upper end of the multi-week range. Also on the move, gold up $19 yesterday, up 1.5%, 12.54, but its lighter cousin, silver, up 4.5%, a surge to 11-month highs in silver, now making that gold-silver ratio a little bit more realistic. So after the dollar moved to the downside yesterday, where do these markets stand here on Wednesday morning? Well, it's all about earnings today. Earnings continue to come out hot and heavy. Yahoo's come out. They bested on EPS and revenue. They're up a bit, now chasing 10% higher year to date, including this morning's action. Intel is down. Intel is down a couple of percent. They actually did beat, announced some restructuring, laying off 12,000 people. Their total is minus 10% in 2016. Coca-Cola came out with a little bit weaker profit and revenue numbers, so that's holding the Dow back a little bit after making highs actually just 2 weeks ago. So right now the S&P is up 3 points, the Dow futures are up 5, and the Nasdaq's leading the way up 8 points, getting back yesterday's loss. The currencies are quiet. Right now treasuries are doing nothing. The 10-year note's at 1.77%. Crude oil's given back some of its gains. It's down 80 cents right now at 41.70, a 1.5% drop. But again, yesterday's high was 42.90 to keep an eye on. Gold is steady, down $2, but silver is positive once again, pushing on those highs. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, steady in the stock indexes. We're in the midst of earnings season, and that's the fundamental news that we're going to focus on. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.